Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you what the projects I did today. Took a computer hard drive, turned it into a grinder. What I did is I took the thing apart. I just got a computer today, donated by my school. They couldn't fix it, so they gave it to me. So I took the hard drive apart, took all the guts and everything out, and then I put this grinding disc on there, and I'm going to show you what it can do. First I got to plug everything in. Plug it into this computer power supply. This is a pretty good power supply. It's pretty decent. I like it. And yes, it does vibrate a lot because it's still a little unbalanced, but it works. Here, I'm just going to sharpen one of my knives with it there. Yeah, don't want too much vibrations, but yeah. So yeah, it does the job. Looks pretty damn sharp. Takes a while before it stops spinning. It gains quite a bit of momentum. It goes pretty fast. But anyways, if you're just wondering what this is here, is a project I was just testing these heat sinks out of the computer. So I'll sit there so you can get a better shot. I just took the heatsink out of the computer for the central processing unit. Then I took another one here out of a laptop, and I put a resistor under there. What I did is I short-circuited on 12 volts. It heats up, and I wanted to see how fast these heat sinks could dispense the heat, or could dissipate the heat. So it actually does dissipate pretty quickly with these big heat sinks, and there's that one has a fan in it. That one there also, that's a fan right there, and then the goes through here, through this copper pipe, through the resistor. But yeah, it works pretty good. But anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.